Hello everybody, my name is Ismael Campos and I would like to talk about what did I learn about this course, that Colombian education. Colombian education, we was working about bilingualism, and I would like to say that bilingualism helps us to meet new cultures, better future, help us to be more competitive in this world, very hard. We can get better job. As you can see, we can socialize better. We can use better things. We can communicate different ways and different language. We can do this through or with the help of education reforms, through the National Bilingualism Plan, with the creation of language centers involving all the areas of education. As we know, the government proposed this the bilingualism to help create better opportunities. For this reason, we can find many language centers near of our home, but it's expensive. Sometimes it's very expensive. Talking about expensive, we can find the cause that why we can get a Colombian people bilingual. We don't know about bilingualism, or I don't know if we don't know, or the government it doesn't know what is bilingualism, because they say that bilingualism is just speak English. They don't help to the institution with economic support, and now we have a big problem, that is exclusion of the some social class. We don't have the material for teaching, and the teacher need more training. We can see what we get if we don't have this support. The people will be crying, asking for help. We cannot see the difference, always the same. Angry teacher, they doesn't know what say. It's the old method, so we have to try to change this. How can we achieve this goal? This be bilingual is inclusion of the all social class, sharing the study methods, more support from the government, or from our people, students. We have to adapt the classroom. We have to include new technology, and the most important is create and meet goals, because if we don't create and meet the goals, we cannot do anything. If we make all this one, we go to get a good teamwork, people that love what they do, and all the people will go to work and try to understand the topics. I don't know what else, but I think that is the most important in this course. Thank you. Have a good night.